our breaths away. And you never failed us. Your determination and perseverance give us inspiration and courage to go on, work hard, and achieve our dreams. You have no idea how we all look up to you. You may not be perfect, but you are an excellent role model. You have influenced a lot of lives in a good way. Your gracefulness teaches young ladies to act like God. Your talents motivate us to become productive even at such a young age. For that, we thank you. James, you're still the straightforward guy who always speaks what is on his mind. Because of you, we learned how delicious to be that. You have pleased us not with a too good to be true personality, but with your light character. We have deciphered from your actions how you care for Anne. Your introvert but sweet gestures towards her simply add up the reasons why we admire you as an individual. Really, thank you. It is amazing how you have fundamentally changed our lives. From leaving the house and feel here in the outside world, we continue to hold on. It is definitely a rough road we never give up. We will never do. Why? Because we are masochists. We want ourselves to die of killing. We want to be in need of oxygen. And we want our hearts to be yellow. This roller coaster ride is by far the most exciting of all. Fears we have fallen several times out of disappointment, but nothing beats the feeling whenever we see the two of you together. Because at the end of the day, it is not just how you make us feel mean, but it's the way you show everyone how genuine your friendship is. You guys are special. You may not know it, but we owe you something. For your existence, we found friends. We found friends who are always ready to stand up for each other. Friends who are as real, genuine, and sincere as family. You guys have already named the word popper a different meaning. Poppers are no longer mere fans. Poppers are already family. The laughter, the excitement, the opening feeling, and sometimes the loneliness, all the memories shared in this family you have created will never be replaced. The love we have for you, we have from everyone else. This, along with our trust in you, is the best weapon we could ever have as we go and fight fair. This battle's not yet over. Perhaps we still have a lot of things to prove, but rest assured that we will never be left behind. Our support for you will never be withdrawn. And we salute you for being humble. James, thanks for your words and actions. Those were our assurance. The hope that you guys give us keeps us to stay strong in this skirmish. We still have a long way to go, and we can only guarantee one thing, that we will work as hard as we can to make sure that someday it will not be just probably, obviously, or honestly, but officially, and